Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Palmer, Ohio, and wanted to show you a really nice van that we're getting ready to put on the lot today. This is a 2012 Chrysler Town Country, and it does have third row seating in it, and black leather interior, has a 3.6 liter engine. It's a V6, so you're going to have plenty of power, but it's got the dark tinted windows. Both of your outside mirrors are heated. I'm telling you, this thing is just super nice. And wait till we get on the inside and I'll show you. But I wanted to show you the back of it first. It does have a backup camera right here. Now you can open it manually right there, or you can use your key fob right here. If you hit twice, it does open the hatch for you automatically. We'll open this and take a peek on the inside. You've got plenty of room, storage room right back here, but here is your interior view. Third row right here, second row, and right up here you do have a DVD player. I'll open these here in just a moment, and you know, for all the kids, if you're out on a trip, to close this, if you want to, easiest way, just hit your button and it will close the hatch for you. Very nice. This van has got a lot of features that I really think you're going to like, especially if you have a family. But let's go ahead. I'm going to open. Now on the side, you can either press this or pull it one time, or you can use your key fob, press it twice, and it opens automatically for you. And to close it when you're inside, it's got a button right here. Just push that and it will close for you automatically. But I'll show you the interior first, show you the overhead, and we'll get up here and take a closer look. So let me go ahead and hop in. So I'll get situated here. I'll show you right up front. We'll hop up here in just a moment. But if you press this right here, there's your DVD player along with a remote control. So bear with me while I maneuver around in here. I'm actually in the back seat right now, and I wanted to go ahead and open these up. Right there you have a headset for the DVD player, and you have another one, and you do have lights on both sides. So I did want to show that to you while I was back here. There's plenty of room to put your cups, and you do have heating and cooling controls right there that will control your vents that are overhead. So you really do have the best of both worlds in this van. So bear with me, folks. I know I'm probably shaking this camera around a little bit, but let me get out of here. And we'll go ahead and close this. We'll hit the button. There you see it's closing. So we'll go ahead and open this one up. Beautiful two-tone interior. You got a black, light tan, and then you've got a nice wood grain right here. Your controls for your windows and mirrors. You've got controls right here for your seats, lumbar, black leather interior. Your gear shift is right up here. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. One thing I did want to show you, right here is a button. Now if you push that, you're going to notice I'm going to put my foot on the brake, and I'm getting ready to push the button now. It will extend your pedals closer to you. So if you're a little shorter, you can see my foot going down now. It's going away from me. So that's a nice added feature. But let me show you the steering wheel, your gauges. As of now, this van mileage 84,423 miles. So for the year, what this is, it's a good mileage vehicle. You do have controls on both sides of your steering wheel. This is for your audio, for your Bluetooth and your radio. And this is your cruise control. Of course, your gear shift right here. Now this does have a backup camera. I'm going to go ahead and drop it down in reverse. You'll see the camera engage on it. Put it back in drive. Come down here, clock, vents, and here you get into your your climate control, heating and cooling, and then different modes for an economy. And so this is really nice storage area here. This will pull out. You'll have an additional 2 cup holders and a couple 12-volt to power your accessories down at the floor. Now on the right here in the console, 2 cup holders front, 2 in back. This will slide back. You have additional storage and another 12-volt right there. So up overhead, you have controls that will open your left door, your trunk, your right door. Well, I'm saying door, not up front, but the large one on the side. So you have that. And then I'll pan around here. You'll see the overhead controls and the vents and a view from the back 2 rows. But I'm telling you guys, this is a beautiful van, fully equipped. You can get this with no money down, low affordable payments. Come in, sign your name, drive it home. So it's really that easy. But if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.